All right, we are live for break number 327, 2014 Topps Triple Threads Football. Video is posted. Let me get these teams up there and updated. Copy, give me just a minute. The Steelers now belong to Mickey Brown, and the Browns belong to Jason Deal. Yep, just got that updated, guys. Browns and Steelers switch. And now, real quick, while we wait for any stragglers, I'm gonna ask next break your choice. Flash poll. Baseball, football. All right, let's break. Time to rip. I put a poll up in the Infinity Box Breaks group. So I'm not gonna be able to count your votes in here. I got a box to break. Alright guys, good luck. It's 2014 Triple Threads Football. I got a wide variety of boxes. More heavy into football right now. I see more football boxes that I like and that you guys seem to like. I don't know, it's not as easy to find good breakable baseball boxes. I don't like doing like the Allen and Ginter or the Gypsy Queen. Yeah, Josh, thank goodness. Royals snapped a 9-game losing streak. I was going to say, Johnny Manziel isn't terrible still. I mean, there's still some people that go after him. Alright, the first card for the Panthers, Cam Newton, numbered 19 out of 399. That one goes to Shannon Broadway. Julian Edelman, number 106 out of 199 for the Patriots. We'll go to Alan Bowers. Yeah, the Royals need to go and win like 15 out of 20. Or even just like a 9-game win streak. But 15 out of 20 is more doable. Andre Johnson, Texans. Base card will go to Danny Delfendahl. For the Dolphins, Mike Wallace. That one will go to Danny Delfendahl. And for the Bills, Kiko Alonso. That one going to Jason Deal. First hit is Marquise Lee, RPA for the Jacksonville Jaguars, numbered 66 out of 99. That one will go to Josh Carpenter. And the next one. What's going on, Sean? That's a cool one. Victor Cruz with the Salsa relic. Numbered 16 out of 36 for the New York Football Giants. Gonna go to Jamie Garza. Jags seem to hit in any year for me. Jaguars and Browns. I just jinxed the Browns, though. Now they're not going to hit. No, I'm just kidding. I don't believe in jinxes, so even if you do, it doesn't matter. I'm touching the boxes. If I don't believe, I can't jinx them, right? Jamie, did you just click the video just so you could say boom? It's all of a sudden it says Jamie is watching. Boom. It was like after I put the card away. Alright, mini box 2. Can I give people luck? I don't think so, Mickey. I think there is I think it's just all random. Some people believe in hot streaks. They can happen, but I think that's all random, like heads winning 7 times in a row. It can happen. Kiko Alonso again, number 96 out of 399. That one going to Jason Deal. You got a pair of Kikos. That's a Kiki. You like a pair of Kikos, huh? Looking for Andrew Luck. I didn't even comment on the Matts being in this break together. Matt Tantarelli, Matt Vitagliano. You guys are forever linked in my head. Because your last names, I don't know, would you say both those are Italian last names? They aren't even that similar, but they are in a way. Vincent Jackson, Buccaneers. It's almost impossible for me to think about or see one of your names and not think about the other one. It's kind of weird, I know. Sean, give everybody some luck here. Did I even call out that card? Vincent Jackson for the Bucks. We'll go to Jason Hillier. And then the Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins here. We'll go to Danny Delfendahl. Vitagliano, that sound Italian also. Tantarelli. Roddy White for the Falcons is going to go to Crystal Boyansky. And the next hit is, that's a pretty good one. He could still be a solid quarterback. Those pretty patches there. Teddy Bridgewater, RPA for the Vikings. numbered 3 out of 70. That one will go to Dustin Laconi. Nice card. Hit of the break. And the last, oh, no, I missed the base card down here. So there's one more. There's a good rookie there. Kelvin Benjamin, rookie patch for the Panthers, numbered 82 out of 99. That one gonna go to Shannon Broadway. And last card, I didn't get it out of the pack beforehand. Base card I missed. Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks, numbered 165 out of 199, going to Paul Hudson Jr. Sorry, Mickey. As I always say, if I could have it my way, everybody would get hits, but they don't make boxes like that. And if they do, it'd probably be worthless hits. Or really expensive. One or the other. Even then, I'm not sure if we could get everybody hits. We're going to try it soon, though. I'm going to put together a good mixer later in the week. Try to get you guys like over 20 hits in a break or something while keeping it reasonable. Kelvin Benjamin, a rookie patch for the Panthers. Get in your package. The big card of the break, Teddy Bridgewater RPA. Sean, you brought that one out, huh? Well, come watch every break then. We want to pull some big cards. And then the salsa one, I thought this one was pretty cool. Unique relic for Victor Cruz. Card, it seems like if I were a Giants fan, I'd want that in my collection. And the first one was Marquise Lee, still a receiver with some promise. He could still do something. RPA out of 99 for the Jags. Alright, that was Triple Threads. I'm going to step away. And in about 5 minutes, I'm going to check the poll in the Infinity Break Room. And whatever wins, that's what I'm going to post. I'm just going to post one this time. I'm too tired to keep up with more than one. See you guys later on.